You don't need it.
So I got the handle out here.
Oh, okay. Right.
What you doing? You're talking about lighting.
I thought I heard you say shut it off.
No. We like long videos.
Yeah, how long as it takes, make it happy.
See all the fun.
Happy, 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 happy.
Just drop it a couple times.
Don't worry.
No, I see. I put the manual away. The manual's not a camera.
What do you say?
Is that your sportster?
Yeah. Is it uncovered out there? Cover blow off?
I did covers on it.
It's got a sheet on it. Cafe Racer, I bought it brand new, 77.
That's what I was going to ask you. It's a cafe racer. You know, I could have bought one at 0 miles on for 3,000.
Oh yeah, Lakewood selling it for $2,000 back then.
Well, this is just a few years back, like an idiot. I didn't buy
Oh, wow.
it. Yeah.
Was it all together?
You bet.
Tatro's got one here.
Dude?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I've seen it.
Piece of back there.
That's what he's working on here. There's another one. Got the thunder head.
Thunder header on it?
Thunder head.
Oh.
Aluminum made up in Ojai, California. Came as a kit for $1,300.
I don't know why somebody doesn't make aluminum heads for them iron heads as a replacement. They have
Too much money. Didn't you say that take would be too much? Somebody said it was
They
too much.
can make dirt cheap. You know, it's really good.
Somebody else
gotta
has
make
to
a bunch of
design.
them.
No, that's what they were just saying. I don't know who told me that, but they would cost way. Okay, that $1,300 would equal today's money about like $10,000. You know, right?
You can make stuff these days, but
Well, I forget who it was. It's like, no, man.
you gotta look at the market.
You could, yeah, that's the problem, the market. But you could get those things made probably for $100. Across the pond.
I know who it was. It was Johnny Ray at the Harley place. He said they'd make them now, but if you made them now, the cost would be so high
Well, it drive the cost.
that you know, it'd be like off because they're really nice heads. They built them nice.
Right.
And they sent you a Dremel and a pattern when it comes with the feet. Got the, you know, you got to grind the cylinder.
Right.
The push rods had to be ground, and it got special push rods. And other than that, they just take the Harley and their pistons.
If you set up a CNC machine, I guarantee you could spit one out in a half hour, under a half hour.
What do you think, Bob? I don't know. It's Johnny Ray. I mean, you're saying.
If you can take and spit out a V8 cylinder head in under an hour in a CNC machine,
Yeah.
you're going to spit a Harley head out, guaranteed, under a half hour. If you set it up right, and it goes through all the actions,
Then you're down to marketing. How many you can make?
that's what I'm saying, yeah. A lot different than what it was before. Machinery costs a lot more. You got to pay somebody to do the tape. You used to pay like $7,000 to $8,000 for V8 head. Just to have every busting chamber equal now. So you can find somebody to do a CNC machine to do all the chambers and radius and feet and the valve ones if you go to $50. Yeah, everybody's out there horning and doing it. All they did was buy a tape. Put it in the CNC machine.
We were just talking about.
The thing is, you got to be able to afford to buy a CNC machine to do it.
Right.
And it can't be just some little pissy ass one either.
That stuff started in '82. We were just talking about it.
Yeah.
So it's been around a while.
Find out finishes now.
Oh, beautiful. Looks like gold, man. Gold.
Oh, bladed now.
Yeah. Like a business did this like a year ago.
You know, years ago, I heard some good things from them, and in the last 4 or 5 years, I've heard nothing but ups and downs.
Well, they told me they couldn't do it, and they weren't lying. Good guy, he moved to Alabama.
Yeah.
And that was right when we told him anyway. So, dummy me, that's good.
Randy Ernst still there? Yeah. That's what I said. He wanted to get out of there.
I guess he's still there. Oh, well, as long as we get it done right, huh, Tatro?
I never said I did anything right.
I know, but I'm just saying, as long as it, the man, you know, if it takes 2 years, 3 years, whatever, and it takes you thousands more, so what? As long as it ends up good.
Hey, as long as you think it's good, it's all that matters.
Hey, when it goes down the road and it's running good and it's doing everything, that's it, right?
Yeah.
As long as the customer's happy, everybody's happy.
Usually, once the customer beats the off out all the extras, he didn't pay for it.
No, man.
You've heard of that happen, haven't you?
I don't know anything about it. I always give everything away for free around here.
Hey, you want to know something that I really fucked up on today? About 3 hours after I hung the phone up, I made an order and didn't buy any of the home stones for you.
That's good.
So I will order some more shit up and get them.
Okay, we got 1/10 to go on that one still. Still got 2/10 to go. I don't know why that one side's out around there.
That's that same one, huh?
Yeah, let's put a hiccup in there somewhere. One spot it hits real bad.
What's a Renegade Classic? That's your plate? That's you?
No, that's that was a motorcycle business. I think it was 10 something, didn't it, a few years back?
I never heard of it.
This phone keeps loading up, so we gotta drop it.
Then I think it ended up being a clothing company for shirts and shit to tail end it.
Everybody has shirts except me.
Well, yeah, this is a good shirt for me. All the shirts I got are dirty and this is dirtier.
I think a Renegade is that movie guy.
Well, that's kind of how it all started.
Really, old,
Well, that old Indian boy was the one
Llama?
that brought him back and put a bunch of money in it. The Indian market.
Yeah, we got half a tank to go now.
get it down, huh? Oh, yeah. About 110?
This one's still 1/10 and a half, this is half a tank. Fine stone does not remove much material.
Yeah.
It'll take at least one more story, I think, you guys.
I got 81,000 on that bike out there, and I got to use other bikes, and I don't ride much. I don't think you'll see many cafes who got that many.
Might not be. How much work do you have to do during the 81,000?
We don't talk about it, but no, that bottom end has been done since 27,000. The bottom end was done at 27 because I burned a hole in the piston because it pushed out the time bolt. I'm not going to show you that. But anyway. And the top end has been done. I revved up one time, broke a head bolt. Not too much. I guess the top end's probably been done a couple times during that time, maybe 3.
I got a shovel for 110,000 miles on the bottom end. 900 board.
Jesus, what year?
76.
What a good year. You still got it?
Everybody, huh?
You got it?
Yeah, I still have it, yeah. The guy rode it like a white man. I went through it, needed to, you know, and just bought new pistons where they were flat and pulled the power through out of it, straightened up the floor, you know, but they set them up to them right then. And, you know, I poured the heads and made some cans for it and all that kind of stuff, and used to run around blasting around town, hot rodding and burning out and stuff. About 11,000 miles I've gone with 3 tires.
Wow.
And,
Tearing them up.
I actually started making a little bit of noise, and I thought it was the bottom end going,
Uh-huh.
shaking and stuff. What happened is it started pulling the intake on one head, and the exhaust valve right up through the seat.
Okay, we got this one at 6/10 now.
Do I pop the seat out?
No, it just pulls the valve right up through it.
Oh.
Just like it'll happen. It'll do it front door.
One side is 15 and a half, 16, the other 16. Pretty much both ways.
Uh-huh.
That's good enough for your bike. We'll probably make it a little better.
Okay.
Looks like I got to home separate to see what the hell's going on with it. Something goofy going on, so let's figure out what the hell's going on with it here.
You got one that's got an 8 in it?
like an eyebrow on one corner, and then it's a slight amount of taper. It's really too hot. It's always too hot over there. Go to the second button over here. Shrink the rods down all the way back to the temperature. It's fine, yeah, stone is not like the touch. So.
Yeah, sometimes the fine stone creates too much heat.
It does, it grows quite a bit. That was a 10th and a quarter out. That's 1/10, so this one is 1/10 out. Let's thrust the cone a little bit more. So which side is the tight side? This is the tight side. This side to tighten this way. Why that would make that around. It's a 10th out, I don't like that, but I can live with 10th.
Okey-dokey.
Here. Half a 10th on the one side. That side's pretty
good, huh?
It goes back and forth. So it's all blowing about a 10th.
Well, up this man shovel ground case.
I don't know where you're at right now, but probably by the middle, yes.
Yeah.
One side does not.
Not low.
What's up with that? It's got a
You got a couple of
big eyebrow on that thing. I had to get the 15 out to 16. I don't want to be tight on the roller.
Yeah.
Because we're already compensating for the rollers being undersized already. Okay, so now we got these honed out. So it's kind of sloppy tonight, I don't know why. We got like a 10th and a half. Now that one rod is out of. Somewhere's a spot that keeps coming in bad. I don't know why. But
Can't see it though.
a 10th and a half ain't squat anyway. But it's not perfect, so I don't like it.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna go clean these up, clean up the bearings, and we'll do a fitment check and see what it feels like.
Okay.
So that's where we're at for now.
Okay, shut her down.
Shut her down.